Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix a problem with check Bluetooth radio status in Windows 10. So if you want to fix it, you need to click right mouse button on icon of start, and then you need to go to command prompt admin. Then on command prompt we need to type this one command. You can find this command in the description of this video. So now I click enter button and system scan will be started. After that you will need to restart your computer, but before you will do it, we need to do one more thing. We need to click on start on the left down corner and type here services. Then we need to open services, and here we are interested in about three services: Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support service, and Bluetooth user service. So we click double time on Bluetooth audio gateway service, and then we need to change startup type from manual to automatic. Then we click apply button and we click OK. The same action we need to do with Bluetooth support service, so I click double time here and I change startup type from manual to automatic. Then I click apply and I click OK. Now we need to click double time on Bluetooth user service and here check if your startup type is set to manual. If it's not started, you need to click start button. And now you need to click OK. Let's check if all three services are running. Then we need to close this window. And now we need to go back to command prompt. How you see, verification has been successfully finished. So now I recommend you to restart your PC and then you need to type here this one command. You can find this command in the description of this video. And after you will type it, you will need to click enter and your problem should be fixed. I will not do it now, but I think it will solve your problem. The last very important thing is to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and if I helped you, remember to buy me coffee from link in description.